Rule number 1, always respect your last name. Never beg for texts, calls, links, or any form of attention. Rule number 2, legacy before love. Never put a girl before your dreams and goals. At the end of the day, if you don't have anything, most women will decide to leave you before they decide to struggle with you. Rule number 3, believe everything you see before you believe anything you hear. She will tell you everything you want to hear in order to keep getting everything she wants from you. Actions speak louder than words. Rule number 4, you can't change her. Who she is before you is who she is while she's with you. Nothing you do or say can change her. She will decide to change when she wants to change. Rule number 5, don't get too comfortable. I'm gonna let this one explain itself. Rule number 6, she saw the message. Don't text her again. People are on their phone all throughout the day. She didn't text back because she didn't want to, not because she didn't see it.